If your CapCut save is failing, exporting gets stuck, or the app keeps throwing an error right at the end, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll cover how to turn off hardware acceleration, how to change your save location to a clean local folder, and how to switch your export settings to a more stable codec and resolution. These fixes are great if CapCut refuses to save your project, if it crashes during export, or if the file just never finishes processing. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to turn off hardware acceleration. In many cases, CapCut save errors happen because your GPU and the app are not working together properly during export. To do this, open CapCut and go to the menu in the top left corner. From there, click Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Performance tab. If you see options like Speed Up Hardware Encoding, turn that off. If you also see Speed Up Hardware Decoding, uncheck that too. Some versions of CapCut may place cache controls nearby, so if you see cache size or clear cache, it's a good idea to clean that out as well. Once you've changed the settings, click Save. This step alone can fix a lot of export and save problems, especially on systems where the GPU is overloaded or conflicting with the app. Next, let's clean up your target save path. This is one of the most overlooked fixes, but it matters a lot. If you are exporting to a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive or iCloud, CapCut may struggle to write the file correctly. The same thing can happen with external or network drives. Before exporting, make sure your computer has at least 3 to 5 gigabytes of free space on the drive you're exporting to. Then open the export window. Find the folder icon next to Export to, and click it. Change the path to a plain local directory, like your desktop or a folder such as C, Videos. The goal is to use a simple local path with no syncing or permission issues. Avoid cloud folders, avoid removable drives, and keep the location as direct and simple as possible. Once that's set, try the export again. In many cases, this immediately removes the save error. Now let's normalize the codec and resolution. If your project is too heavy, too high resolution, or using a codec that your system struggles with, CapCut can fail while saving. In the export settings, set the resolution drop-down to 1080p, then set the frame rate to 30 frames per second. After that, change the codec from HEVC to H.264 or MP4 if that option is available. H.264 is usually much more stable and widely compatible, and lowering the export load can prevent out-of-memory errors or processing failures. If your project was built in a very high resolution, this one change can make the difference between a failed save and a successful export. If CapCut still won't save after these changes, go back and double-check each part one more time. Make sure hardware acceleration is off, make sure your save path is local, and make sure the export settings are set to a more reliable format. Also, close any other heavy apps running in the background so CapCut has enough memory and system resources to finish the job. So, to recap, turn off hardware acceleration, change the export folder to a local directory, and switch your codec and resolution to something lighter and more stable. These 3 steps solve a lot of CapCut save errors without needing complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.